as it is heard everywhere, that from the general public about black holes. Even the biggest scientists think that there are some holes in the universe, in which there is such a tremendous pull, that even light cannot get out of them. And found in these black holes, the property of tremendous pulling gravity arises due to their extremely compressed size, due to their excessive mass. Additionally, many scientists consider holes to be interdimensional space portals, with the help of which it can be possible to travel very far, or travel in any other direction, in a very short time. What would happen if you fell into a black hole? You might be thinking that you will die. But in such a situation, many other things can happen to you. That place is in the black hole space, where no law of physics works. Its gravitational field is very powerful. Nothing can escape its pull. Even the light cannot come out after entering here. It absorbs all the light, falling on it. Einstein has told that the gravity of anything wraps the space around it, and gives it a shape like a curve. If you have come under the grip of a black hole, then two things can happen to you. Either you will burn to ashes immediately, or you will get trapped in a black hole without any harm. When a huge star reaches towards its end, it starts shrinking within itself. Slowly it becomes a huge black hole and starts gathering everything in itself. Its outer part is called the event horizon. Due to the quantum effect, the hot particles break apart, and start spreading in the universe. According to Stephen Hawking's discovery, due to Hawking radiation, one day the black hole becomes completely mass-free and disappears. When you get inside a black hole, it's infinitely curved up to the center. Coming there, both time and space lose their meaning and no rule of physics works. What will happen after reaching here? There is no information. Will another universe come, or will you forget everything and reach the new world? This mystery remains till now. Going there, your speed will be very slow, your words will be reaching the person in front, with a lot of delay. The reason for this is that the frequency inside the black hole will continuously decrease. When you reach the horizon, you will feel as if someone has pressed your pause button. You will have no speed and you will be caught in the scorching heat of horizon. Due to Hawking radiation, you will turn into ashes, even before reaching the darkness of the black hole. Or, according to the four physicists Ahmed Almahiri, Donald Marlik, Joe Polchinski, and James Sewell, it is possible to get inside information, without going inside the event horizon of a black hole. For this, all four took the support of quantum mechanics, and Einstein's principles. According to him, distant objects can be related to each other in space. They are two parts of one. However, no result came out of this theory either. This remains one of the most controversial questions in fundamental physics. Obviously, in such a situation, both the answers remain in their place regarding what will happen to you if you fall inside the black hole.